there! Life hack time. So let's say you had some sort of shiny something or other. Might be a whiteboard or this metal box, and you're writing on it with a permanent marker. And let's say that you accidentally put some mark on it, and you don't actually want that mark there. There's a quick and easy way to get rid of it. And it's not licking your finger and rubbing at it, because that ain't going to work. I found this out by actually writing on a whiteboard with permanent marker. If you take a whiteboard marker and draw over whatever it was that you just drew with permanent marker, and then quickly erase it, for the most part, I mean, it's not coming totally off, but if you follow this channel, you know that nothing ever works exactly right. But it mostly comes off. It does a lot better than the lick and rub thing. So I just wanted to share that because I found that very cool and useful. I just used it right now.